How to remove Meta AI in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after that you can just launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Messenger. So what you need to do is you just need to have an older version of the Messenger application, because the updated version would have Meta AI on the Messenger application. That's the feature that Messenger provides itself. So you'll not be able to directly remove it from the Messenger application. So you need to have an older version where Meta AI was not possible or the feature was not present. Next, what you can simply do is go back and launch the browser on your device, and you can just simply tap on the search bar and search for Facebook support or Messenger support. I'm going to search for Facebook support, and as we search for it, you can just tap on Facebook Help Center and you can just scroll down. So let's just scroll down for a bit. So let's scroll down to Facebook Help Center over here, and we just have to send a report to the Facebook team that we would want to get Meta AI removed from the Facebook or the Messenger application. So you can simply just send the request to the team and they'll respond to you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.